So you're gonna select and go to our Play Store. Then you have to click on the Play Store button over there, or Play Store icon over there. Now the next thing, we're gonna wait for it to load. Then after it has loaded, we're gonna search for AdsLock. Okay, so let's just type that in. Yes. So now, yes, that's what we are looking for. Oops. Okay, something came up, something we didn't want. So let's just retap that again. AdsLock, and it should give you something like the following. Yep, that's what it should give you. As you can see, we're gonna have to install it over there. Yeah, while it is installing, as you can see over here, guys, you have about 50,000. I'll highlight it over there, like it's having about 50,000 downloads, 50k plus downloads. That's a lot, if you can ask me. 50,000 downloads, that's a lot over there. It has about also 3.7 average stars from 1,000 reviews. Okay, that's positive right there. You want to have something like that. Okay, so that shows you that this is a great app to use. And number two, it is only, I think at the moment, only available for South African citizens. Okay, let's just open it. And yeah, let's just wait for a second, guys, to see what it's the app about. Okay, it's taking a little bit much more longer than usual, but hey, it's worth it at the end of the day. Okay, so AdsLock, actually you don't do basically much. You just swipe ads. Okay, you just see the AdsLock app will present you with ads. You will just swipe left, swipe right, I don't know which direction, but then you're going to swipe either left or right. So as you can see, it's only available for South Africans only. So yeah, you just basically have to be in South Africa. Select South Africa over there. I'm just gonna go down, scroll down, then agree to the terms and conditions. Yeah, you can read that, but I don't think that's worth it. Like spending thousands of minutes watching that thing, reading that. Anyway, who watches that? So we're gonna have to sign in. But for you, we're gonna have to go and select get connected since you are new. So just go ahead and click that. As you can see, you're gonna have to input your phone number, your email address, your gender, age, password, bunch of stuff, password confirmation. Now for the invite code, okay, right there, I'm gonna leave a code that you have to enter at the link in the description. Okay, I'm gonna leave it in the description. Be sure to check out the description for the code you're gonna have to put there. Okay, because you're gonna need a code. Okay, so now since I'm not new, you're gonna sign in. I'm gonna put in my phone number right over there. Yes, just that last digit. Done. Okay. Oh, oops, no, that was not something I planned. Sorry, let's just open it again, and let's just wait for it again. Okay, just silly mistakes, I'm sorry guys. But anyway, yeah, so yeah, back again where we started. Just gonna have to input my phone number, and that's right there, just right there. Yeah, done. Now input your password. Like I told you guys, for you to have a strong password, you need what is it? Yeah, just trying to focus over here. Yeah, that's done. Yeah, select right there, the orange button at the bottom, then wait for it to load. And just waiting for it to load. Account verifying. Okay, it's verifying the account. Oh yes, now this is what you should see. Okay, you want to swipe to the left. Yeah, that was right, you swiping to the left. You're gonna have to wait for, as you can see right there, when I have to wait for that, then you swipe. Okay, when I have to wait for the time to pass right there, and swipe. Wait for the time to pass again, as you can see, 3, 2, 1 seconds, then you swipe. So you're gonna have to wait 5 seconds every single time. You wait 5 seconds. So go into the wallet, and as you can see, this is 10 rand 92 cents, and the available balance is about 5 rands. And as you can see, my transaction history right there is I have only withdrawn my points or money through MTN, like buying airtime through MTN and stuff like that. These transactions, 3 of them actually happened on the same day. Let's just scroll down and see. Yeah, that's the one that I started with. Okay, the 20 rand one. Then on also, I think the long time ago, so I also withdrew for testing purposes 10 rand. So let's just go to, sorry for about that. Let's just go to that tab right there, redeem tab. Yeah, I cannot select it. Okay, yeah, as you can see, since, okay, here is a disclaimer. Since I have been here for a while, so okay, I just click very fast. Oh yes, these are the things you can redeem also through MTN, select MTN. As you can see, the data is there. So let's just go back and go back again. Yeah, so as you can see, you can also redeem through electricity, but I'm not sure, I haven't used this one before, so that's why I'm getting that message. Okay, I'm sorry for that. But, and also fast food I haven't received. This is new for me because it's just activated also as well. So let's just see what's going on there. Also, they can give you 50 rand vouchers, 75 rand vouchers, and 100 rand vouchers. That's pretty good. Okay, so let's just go back. Hungry Lion, you can redeem your whatever your money through Hungry Lion. That's a bunch of stuff for everyone who's interested in just doing such stuff. Okay, I've only used MTN. Okay guys, this is just new also for me, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the progress later on. So what else? Groceries, let's select that and see. Oh, ShopRite. Okay, select ShopRite and see what we have. Oh, also vouchers. Okay, apparently you cannot redeem the vouchers for money, so it has to be used for buying whatever food and stuff. I haven't used it before. I've only used this one, the airtime one. I've redeemed only for MTN. Oh yes, here is a disclaimer guys. Sometimes this app has some problems. I don't know what, but if you try to, let's say you try to redeem something, I'm gonna show you in a second right now. You try to redeem something, let's say an airtime or whatever you want to redeem. Let's select that and see what's gonna happen. Sometimes it does this. Okay, it's perfectly normal. Okay, it does this. You just have to be patient and just wait a little longer. Okay, they will come through. Okay, it did happen more than once for me. So yeah, so swipe, wait for 5 seconds also. When it's done, you swipe. Okay, you swipe to the left.